Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to share something with you today that's honestly a game changer, especially if you've ever wanted to make videos but felt overwhelmed by the process. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's been sitting on great ideas but unsure how to bring them to life, this tool might just be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. It's called Vidatia. And what makes it so powerful is that it lets you create stunning, professional quality videos without needing to show your face, write a script, or even touch editing software. I know that might sound too good to be true, but after trying it myself, I can confidently say it's one of the easiest and most effective AI tools out there for content creation right now. All you need to get started is an idea. That's it. Just a topic or a theme, and Vidatia takes care of the rest. The AI writes a full script for you, adjusts the tone based on what kind of content you want to make, whether it's educational, inspirational, or entertaining, and then it builds the visuals, voiceovers, and animations to go along with it. And the best part is, it all happens in just a few clicks. Now, I know a lot of people think they need to be on camera to grow a YouTube channel or build a brand online, but that's simply not true anymore. Faceless content is booming. Channels that focus on storytelling, tutorials, motivation, history, science, finance, you name it, are racking up millions of views without ever showing a face. With Vidatia, you can create videos in those exact same niches, and the results look incredibly polished and engaging. If you're more into short-form content, like Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, this tool can create those too. You can instantly generate vertical videos that look clean, professional, and are optimized for all the major platforms. Everything from transitions to music to captions can be automated. It's literally just click and create. What really impressed me is that you can even make videos with realistic AI-generated characters. These aren't cartoonish animations. They actually look and move like real people, which opens up so many possibilities for storytelling, advertising, and even creating your own virtual brand or spokesperson. No actors, no cameras, no crew needed. Another thing I love is that it works in any language, so if you're targeting global audiences or working with clients from different regions, Vidatia gives you that flexibility without needing a translator or voice actor. And for anyone thinking about building a passive income stream, especially through YouTube, this tool helps you create high-quality content at scale, which is key to growing fast. So if you've been sitting on content ideas or looking for a way to break into video creation without dealing with the usual hurdles, this might be your moment. I'm genuinely impressed with what Vidatia can do, and I think it's going to help a lot of people finally take that first step. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.